Turned on the radio and I was able to hear this gentleman calling for stations in the United States out of Puerto Rico, and so I jumped on, and I thought he said Idaho, but I think he said Indiana. According to now that I've listened to his channel, I could barely pick him up. He was about 3 by 3. I could hear him, he was fading in and out, but I heard him, and I thought he said Idaho, but I think he said obviously from the tape, from the video, he said Indiana. But anyway, and he really meant Wyoming. But anyway, I answered up, and I ended up getting him. I was really happy with this new antenna, man. This new end-fed random wire antenna that I've got up, that I built the 9-to-1 unun for, and built the and provided the wire for, made it just all from stuff I had here at the house. I hit Puerto Rico. Listen, this is a great signal. The way it sounds on the way it sounded in Puerto Rico was, I was amazed. So I hope you're as amazed as I am, because this is awesome. Listen to this.
Michigan, stay safe, my friend. 7-3. There's any station from Wyoming. Any station from Wyoming. This is Kilo Papa 4 Papa unit from Alpha. Kilo 9 Sierra Mike. Yes, sir, my friend. Copy the 5H Indiana. I got your 560 Puerto Rico. Yes, sir. Any station from Indiana, from Wyoming. Any station from Wyoming. This is Kilo Papa 4 Papa unit from Alpha. Kilo Mexico 6. Kilo Mexico 6 sugar. Yes, sir. You're 55 of Puerto Rico.
And I did answer. I answered him. So I answered him, but that interference running across the band there didn't pick me up saying Roger, Roger. But anyway, I was surprised. I'm happy with that. Happy with that signal there in Puerto Rico. That was a good audio, good signal in there. So cool antenna. I'm really enjoying this new antenna, and I'm very excited about it. All right, that's all of this recording.